Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys hotspot password setting in our Realme phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you change your hotspot password. So friend, which password guys you have in your hotspot phone hotspot setting, and guys you want to change this password guys, you want to rename this password, so as you can change. And guys now let's see how to change it in our Realme phone device. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting, then guys you can see this type of setting. So guys you will have to guys click on this connection and sharing option setting. So guys tap here, and guys you can see your personal hotspot, and guys you want to on it, so guys you can on and off from here. And guys you can see your hotspot setting, so guys tap here, and guys you can see your hotspot password is, and guys we will cut this password. New password guys you can choose from yourself. So example for guys I will take 98765432 and guys you can see this right option right side. So guys tap here to change it. Then guys again come back, and guys you can see guys your password has changed in your Realme phone. So like that guys you can change your hotspot password in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.